Don't throw away old furniture, you can give it new life. Revamping old pieces is rewarding. It's eco-friendly and budget-friendly. You can create unique pieces for your home. Imagine a world filled with character. Your furniture tells a story. Revamping lets you be the storyteller. You create one-of-a-kind pieces. Each tells your story. Revamping furniture is a sustainable choice. You're giving a new life to something old. This reduces waste. It's a much better option than buying new furniture. Revamping your furniture is a great way to save money. You can transform pieces you already own. This is much cheaper than buying new furniture. It allows you to personalize your home on a budget. Proper preparation is key to a successful furniture makeover. Without the right steps, your final result may not be as stunning as you envision. Start by cleaning the furniture thoroughly. This is the foundation of your transformation. This removes dirt and grime that can interfere with the finishing process. Use a mild cleaner and a soft cloth to avoid damaging the surface. Next, inspect the furniture for any repairs that might be needed. Fill in cracks or holes with wood filler. Sand rough edges to ensure a smooth finish. This creates a smooth surface for painting or decorating, which is crucial for a professional look. Once repairs are done, lightly sand the entire surface to prepare it for the next steps. This helps the paint or other finishes adhere better, ensuring durability. Use fine grit sandpaper for best results, as it provides a smoother finish. Wipe away any sanding dust before moving on to the next step. Finally, apply a primer to the furniture. This step is essential for a lasting finish. This creates a good base for your chosen finish, whether it's paint or varnish. Choose a primer suitable for the material of your furniture to ensure compatibility. Let it dry completely before moving on to the artistic part, where your creativity can truly shine. Painting is a simple and transformative technique. It can breathe new life into old furniture, making it look fresh and modern. Choose a paint suitable for your furniture. There are many types available, from latex to oil-based, each offering different finishes and durability. Chalk paint is a great option. It requires minimal prep and adheres well to most surfaces, making it perfect for beginners. Apply the paint evenly with a brush. Take your time to ensure smooth, even strokes for the best results. You can create a distressed look for vintage charm. Lightly sand the edges and surfaces to reveal the layers beneath. Stenciling adds patterns and designs to your furniture. It's a great way to personalize and add intricate details. Secure your chosen stencil to the furniture. This will prevent it from moving and ensure clean lines. Use painter's tape to hold it in place. This helps to avoid any paint bleeding under the stencil. Then apply paint over the stencil using a stencil brush or sponge. Dab gently to avoid smudging. Decoupage is a technique that uses paper cutouts. It's perfect for adding detailed images or patterns to your furniture. Apply a layer of decoupage glue to the furniture. Make sure to cover the entire area where the cutouts will be placed. Then carefully place your chosen paper cutouts on top. Arrange them as desired before the glue dries. Smooth out any air bubbles with a brush. This ensures a flat, even finish. Seal the design with a top coat of decoupage glue. This protects the paper and gives it a glossy finish. These are just a few techniques to get you started. Each method offers unique possibilities for creativity. Don't be afraid to experiment. Try different techniques. Mix and match to find what works best for your style. Combine them to create unique effects. The possibilities are endless when you let your creativity flow. Section 4. The beauty of simplicity in materials. You don't need fancy materials for furniture makeovers. Simple and accessible materials work wonders. Use leftover paint from other projects. Fabric scraps, old maps, and wallpaper samples are great for decoupage. Look around your house for inspiration. Old buttons, beads, or even bottle caps can be used for embellishments. Natural elements like twigs and stones can add a rustic touch. Remember, creativity is about resourcefulness. The most unexpected items can become beautiful additions to your furniture. Don't be afraid to experiment and see what you can create. Using simple materials is not only budget-friendly, but also encourages creativity. It challenges you to think outside the box. You can transform ordinary objects into extraordinary pieces of art. Section 5. Embrace the joy of creative expression. Revamping furniture is more than just a DIY project. It's a journey of transformation where old pieces get a new lease on life. It's a form of creative expression, allowing you to showcase your artistic flair. It's about infusing your personality into your home. making each piece uniquely yours. Don't be afraid to experiment and make mistakes. Each error is a step towards discovering your style. Let your imagination run wild. The possibilities are endless when you think outside the box. There are no rules in furniture makeovers. It's all about what makes you happy. Choose colors and designs that speak to you. Let your heart guide your choices. Create a space that reflects your unique style. Your home should be a canvas of your creativity. The process of revamping can be therapeutic. It's a chance to unwind and focus on something you love. It allows you to slow down and connect with your creative side, finding joy in every brushstroke. You'll feel a sense of accomplishment when you see the finished piece, knowing you created something beautiful. So go ahead and transform your old furniture into art masterpieces. Each piece tells a story of creativity and effort. Embrace the joy of creative expression and create a home that truly reflects who you are. Let your space be a testament to your artistic journey.